78.35. And here comes the Harley Harvester. Slightly modified, got 307 to beat. What do you say, folks? He got the job done, 321.72 feet. Okay, 321, the mark to beat. Well, Tim, put your hands together for him. He got close to the promised land. It's going to be good enough for second. 321 still the mark to beat. Took a long way to get there, but got out to 309.43. It's going to be good enough for 321 as the mark to beat. Paul Henderson holding on that distinction. Mike Windrum, late night addiction, off and running. That's the way you launch yourself into the lead. Top spot.